Poverty hurts. I don't like it. And I don't like that our academic system's so corrupt. So it's one of the most important messages I have for entrepreneurs is that failure should inspire you to get smarter. Unfortunately, our school system says if you fail, you're stupid. That is not true. We learn from our mistakes. Mistakes are opportunities to get smarter, be humble, and take a look at something.
Welcome to today's episode on our channel, where we explore the depths of financial literacy and wealth creation. In this video, we dive into the teachings of Robert Kiyosaki, renowned author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and dissect his unique perspective on wealth, education, and personal growth.
Understand that money is debt. And until you get out of debt, they're telling you to get out of money.
This is Financial Intellect, where we promote that to be finance savvy, we are your buddy. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to transcending traditional paths to prosperity. So buckle up and let's embark on this enlightening journey. Understanding the cash flow quadrant, the foundation of financial freedom. One of Kiyosaki's key concepts is the cash flow quadrant, a strategic tool that categorizes how people earn their income and sheds light on the varying degrees of financial control and freedom they experience. Divided into 4 distinct types: employee, E; self-employed, S; business owner, B; and investor, I. This model serves as a critical framework for evaluating and understanding our current financial standing and identifying the steps necessary to advance toward financial independence. The quadrant insightfully reveals that employees and self-employed individuals, who often perceive their roles as stable and secure, typically bear the heaviest tax burdens and experience the least financial freedom. This is a stark contrast to business owners and investors who not only enjoy more favorable tax treatments, but also command greater autonomy over their income and investments. Importantly, this model goes beyond simply guiding career choices. It offers a deeper understanding of the long-term financial implications of these choices. It underscores the importance of strategic financial planning and highlights how shifting from the left side of the quadrant, E and S, to the right side, B and I, can lead to enhanced financial security and independence. By comprehending and applying the principles of the cash flow quadrant, individuals can make more informed decisions that align with their aspirations for financial growth, stability, and freedom, ultimately paving the way for a more empowered and financially savvy future. The tax trap: navigating fiscal challenges. Kiyosaki's teachings bring to light the profound influence of taxation on wealth accumulation, a factor often overlooked in personal finance discussions. He points out that employees who typically find themselves in higher tax brackets face a steeper climb in wealth building compared to investors or business owners who are privy to various tax advantages like deductions, credits, and lower tax rates on long-term gains. This disparity in tax treatment doesn't necessarily advocate for avoiding employment or self-employment. Instead, Kiyosaki encourages a deeper awareness and strategic planning around these financial nuances. Understanding the intricacies of the tax system, including how different income types are taxed and the availability of tax-saving strategies, is crucial. This knowledge enables individuals to make savvy decisions about their career paths and investment strategies, aligning them with their financial goals. Furthermore, it emphasizes the importance of financial education in navigating these complex systems, thereby equipping us to better manage our finances and potentially steer us towards a path of greater financial independence. Kiyosaki's emphasis on tax literacy serves as a reminder that effective wealth creation is not just about earning more, but also about optimizing the retention and growth of what we can earn through informed tax planning and financial decision-making. Debt, a double-edged sword. The concept of debt, commonly perceived as a financial burden, is redefined in Kiyosaki's teachings, which offer a more nuanced and strategic perspective. He draws a critical distinction between good debt, which acts as a lever to amplify wealth creation, exemplified by loans for investment properties or business ventures that generate income. And bad debt, which drains financial resources such as high-interest consumer loans or credit card debt that offers no return. This understanding is pivotal in financial planning, underscoring the potential of good debt as a tool for wealth accumulation. By judiciously leveraging good debt, individuals can invest in assets that not only cover the debt payments but also yield a surplus, thus contributing to wealth growth. Conversely, minimizing or eliminating bad debt can prevent the erosion of financial resources. This approach calls for a sophisticated understanding of debt management, including the assessment of interest rates, the potential return on investment, and the risk involved. By embracing this balanced view of debt, savvy planners and investors can transform what is often seen as a financial pitfall into a powerful catalyst for wealth creation, using it as a strategic asset in their financial arsenal to achieve long-term financial goals and stability. Mentorship, learning from those who've walked the path. The role of mentorship in the journey toward financial success is often undervalued, yet it remains a critical component as emphasized by Kiyosaki. The guidance of a mentor who has navigated the path you're embarking on can significantly expedite your learning process and help you sidestep common mistakes. Kiyosaki's experiences with his rich dad exemplify this, where hands-on practical advice provided insights far beyond the scope of conventional education. In our modern, interconnected world, the avenues for finding such mentorship have expanded dramatically. Beyond the traditional face-to-face interactions, we now have access to a wealth of knowledge through books written by industry experts, comprehensive online courses, insightful podcasts, and resourceful YouTube channels like this one. These digital platforms offer the unique advantage of accessing diverse perspectives and expertise from around the globe. The key to leveraging these resources effectively lies in actively seeking out and absorbing knowledge from individuals and entities that have demonstrated real-world success and expertise in their respective domains. This approach to mentorship, blending traditional and digital means, provides a rich tapestry of learning opportunities, enabling aspiring individuals to gain a holistic and practical understanding of financial strategies and principles. Engaging with such varied and dynamic sources of mentorship can profoundly impact one's financial literacy and acumen, paving the way for informed decision-making and a more robust path to financial success. The inner game, developing a rich mindset. Indeed, Kiyosaki's assertion highlights that often the greatest impediment to achieving wealth is not external circumstances, but our internal mindset. He posits that our perceptions and attitudes towards money, success, and failure play a pivotal role in shaping our financial destiny. Cultivating a rich mindset means adopting a perspective that sees opportunities where others see obstacles, embracing risks as a necessary part of growth, and perceiving failure not as a setback, but as a valuable learning experience. It involves recognizing wealth not solely in terms of financial gain, but as a comprehensive measure of personal development and fulfillment. This paradigm shift is vital for breaking free from the confines of conventional wisdom and societal norms that often dictate a cautious, risk-averse approach to financial decisions. It encourages an entrepreneurial spirit, fosters resilience, and cultivates a proactive approach to wealth creation. By reorienting our mindset this way, we open ourselves to a broader spectrum of possibilities, allowing us to explore innovative avenues for income generation, investment, and personal development. This mental transformation is a fundamental step in not only achieving financial success, but also in realizing a more empowered and fulfilled life, unshackled from traditional notions of success and financial security. Applying Kiyosaki's principles, real-world strategies for financial growth. To truly benefit from Kiyosaki's insights, it's essential to put theory into practice with actionable steps. Begin by analyzing your position within the cash flow quadrant and strategize ways to transition towards the business owner B and investor I quadrants, where financial freedom is more attainable. This may involve starting a side hustle, investing in training or education to enhance your skills, or exploring various investment opportunities in stocks, real estate, or other ventures. Secondly, a comprehensive understanding of the tax system and its impact on different income sources is crucial. Educate yourself on tax laws, seek advice from financial experts, and learn how to utilize tax-saving strategies effectively. This knowledge is invaluable for optimizing your income and maximizing your investment returns. Thirdly, shift your perspective on debt. Recognize the difference between constructive debt, which can generate income or increase in value, like mortgages and rental properties, and destructive debt, such as high-interest consumer loans. Use this understanding to make informed choices about borrowing and investment. Finally, the importance of mentorship cannot be overstated. Identify and connect with mentors who have successfully navigated the path you aspire to follow. Whether through in-person networking, professional associations, online platforms, or educational resources, mentors can provide invaluable guidance, support, and insight drawn from their experiences. By embracing these practical steps, you can actively apply Kiyosaki's principles to your life, paving the way for financial growth and independence. As we wrap up this insightful exploration into Robert Kiyosaki's teachings, remember that financial intelligence is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about understanding the rules of the game and how to play it effectively. Kiyosaki's principles offer a roadmap, but it's up to each of us to take these lessons and apply them to our unique situations. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your financial journey. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay informed, stay inspired, and most importantly, stay on your path to financial mastery. Until the next time,